right down. Ready? A 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, you could be like a total douche and go, ooh. No, easier way.
Yeah, that's so the easy way. You couldn't even do it before.
Oh my god.
That was a goddamn
Ooh, I spit. Oh wait. Let's watch her. She might be able to do it a little bit better.
Don't make me laugh.
She is such making a fool out of herself. She is so retarded.
goddamn reason.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god, she just.
I can hear it.
Dum dum dum.
Oh, it just came out of her nostril. Ew, that is disgusting.
It did not.
Should I pause it?
No. Okay, I can do it. Hold on.
Okay, she's gonna try it again. One more try. Clean it up off the floor.
I will.
You like this? Clean up on the floor before it stains.
This is what happens when two retards get together.
Oh, I didn't tape it. Whoops.
I did.
Look at her clean up her mess. See, I actually kind of sprayed.
Bye.
Bye.